So Tudia was kind enough to send over their merge series for the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Now my Pixel 7 isn't here yet, but my 7 Pro is here. And shout out to Google for providing that device. And also shout out to Tudia again for providing all these different cases. Now, I've actually been using 3 of these cases. I've had these for a little bit of time now, and I've been rotating between the blue, the black, and the silver. The black might see a little, you might see a little fingerprints and stuff on it. That's just how the black one is going to do. But the silver and the blue, the silver is the one that will give you the least amount of fingerprints, and the blue one obviously won't give any at all. But these matte ones definitely will give you some kind of fingerprint. So I've been checking these out, and obviously this is nothing new here from Tudia. Let's put on one of these and try it on. I just wanted to lay out all the colors and show them to you here. This is my black Pixel 7 Pro. Now, this case right here is kind of the foundation of Tudia. They brought this out and it kind of solidified their company, from my experience. Like, it was the go-to case for them. And it still is today, even though they have the new Grip series. I'm really hoping they bring out the Grip series for this case, because that would be really good for them. I think they deserve to bring the Grip series to this phone, because the new Grip series is really good. So you'll see here all the cutouts and ports on the case work perfectly fine. You can see the antenna cutout up there. Microphone, power, and volume are right here. And then you go around to the bottom. You've got all the ports and everything that line up perfectly fine. And then when you go to this side here, you don't see much at all. It's smooth sailing. On the front here, as you can see, you've got lip protection all the way around. You're going to have the lip protection around the edge of the case, because you can lay this down flat and not have any problems with it touching on the table, your screen at all. And if you look from this angle right here, you can see there's a curve at the bottom and the top to make sure that your phone screen does not touch the surface that you're putting it down on. Also be mindful of the slit at the top here for the speaker portion on there. And then also around the back, the camera housing is deeply recessed. You can see there. It's in there now. So I want to test, I'm not going to try all these on, but I wanted to lay out the colors that you could actually get. And I wanted to try this one on for the ladies. I always do things for the fellas. Now this phone does have wireless charging, but it also has wireless charging. So we're going to go ahead and test out wireless charging with this case. And there it is. It is wireless charging. So I knew that it was wireless charge. Any of the cases that have some sort of plastic or anything like that, they definitely will wireless charge. And I don't think you'll have much to complain about with this case. It is one of the cases that for sure has taken them over the top and gave them the brand that we know so well, which is Tudia. So here are the colors that it comes in. And I know you'll probably find one that you like the best. Everybody's going to have their favorite one that they like the best. And I just think that if at all possible, make sure you grab, because these are affordable. And so if you're a person who likes to dress your phone up based on what you look like, this might be a phone selection of cases for you. Tudia tends to bring out a ton of colors when they bring out cases, and I think that's much appreciated. So I did try on the green one here for those that might be interested in that, but the links down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and again, shout out to Tudia for providing the cases for the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel 7. Be on the lookout for the Pixel 7. Once I get it in, I'll display those cases. Pretty much the same thing here, so I'll give you a quick show and tell. Links down below to get yours right now, very affordable, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.